First and foremost, it's free. It's not a software as a service platform. It has a business model that's built to help you grow your newsletter. Substack makes money out of your paid subscriptions. They take about 10% from your paid subscriptions. So they're really in their interest that you make money out of Substack. You don't really need social media and you don't really need lead magnets. You can use Substack to directly grow your email list. Yes, on Substack you also grow followers, and followers also see your notes, but they don't see your emails. But you grow actually more subscribers from notes. As you can see in the examples I have to share with you, you grow much more subscribers than followers. Actually, most of my notes didn't really bring me new followers. As you can see, this one brought me 2 followers but 66 subscribers. It's not something that you can achieve on any other social media platform. Substack is the place to be right now. I keep repeating, I can't stop saying this. Substack is the place to be right now, and you want to be immediately right now. Start on Substack if you haven't already, because it's changing, and this type of organic growth that we currently are facing, it's really slowing down for newcomers. Once you gain momentum, it becomes easier. So right now I have about more than 4,000 subscribers, and I don't really need to engage with other people. I do that only when my new subscriber growth slows down, but at that point you really don't need to engage. I do it just because I want to, because the content of Substack is really, really high quality. So I read other people's stuff and like and comment and restack because I simply like it and because I learn a lot from them. But I don't really do it in order to boost my growth. But at the beginning, if you're brand new to this platform, you will have to do also this, also because of this reason. But it's something that is actually enjoyable. It's not because of the high quality of the content, and because you can actually learn from this a lot. It's something that I love doing. You can create any type of content on Substack. It's really a one-stop shop platform for all types of creators, not just writers. So you can run a newsletter, you can run a blog, you can have a podcast, and you can have a video channel. So you could do courses as well. And you can also do short form if you want to, just simply for short form writing. And it's, from my perspective, and I also hear a lot of other creators sharing the same opinion, that Substack is currently the best in class tool for paid newsletter growth. You could do a paid newsletter on platforms, on software as a service, like platforms like Kit and also Beehive, but most of them don't really have that many functionalities that actually help you to grow your paid subscriptions. Like, for example, they have automatic upsell emails boost, automatic recommendations boost, and that's also the next biggest contributor to my growth. And I'm gonna also share with you how you can approach recommendations. It's really, really simple. You don't have to overthink it. And Substack also has automatic promotions in recommendations, which those are the settings that you can enable in your settings, so that Substack can actually start helping you grow your paid newsletter and subscribers. It has flexible sales tools. It has tiered pricing and adaptive paywalling. You can decide what types of things to paywall on Substack. Like, for example, you can paywall only the comments from your post, or you can paywall only the voiceover. So if you record yourself, you can upload a voiceover. There is, of course, automatic artificial intelligence generated voiceover, but you can record your own voice and upload it, and you can paywall that. It has also multiple engagement and sales buttons that you can add to your content, so that you can really engage with your subscribers and build actually a community. And yeah, actually, apart from just content generation, you could definitely build a community on Substack, and that's really huge. It has multiple sales buttons, and it has a customizable headers and footers that you can actually use them to sell. The options that you can put there and the formats of the content that you can put there in the headers and the footers is really, really amazing. So to me, Substack is really best in class, has best in class growth tools. Is the recommendation system, is the collaboration also when you can do guest posts and cross posting, and you could build a publication with a lot of writers, and you can enable them to post like a media publication, for example, and you can use that features also to build a community, because it also has chats, and you can paywall chats, and you can paywall chat answers only, for example, and you can control whether and who is able to access your chat, whether it's everybody or free or subscribers only, or paid subscribers only, or even the founding tier subscribers, which is the highest currently level of paid subscriptions that you can enable. So, and also it has a huge organic discoverability called Substack Notes. Notes is the social media of Substack, and it's something that no other newsletter platform currently offers. And through those notes, you grow your subscribers, you gain emails to your list, automatically added to your list from notes, which is nothing that you can do, which is you cannot achieve that on any other social media platform. So Substack is basically the best of all worlds, from social media, from newsletters, and from the blogging world. You can directly monetize your expertise and your knowledge and your skills in many ways, in many formats. It's also connected automatically to YouTube, so when you upload videos, they can you can enable also automatic publishing on YouTube, on your YouTube channel. And it's really amazing. You have to be on Substack. If you haven't already started, you have to be on Substack. I know a lot of you are interested currently in artificial intelligence, and it's something that this course is also a lot about. But artificial intelligence is a tool for content creation, and you need to create this content, and you need to publish this content somewhere, and you need to also have visibility and discoverability. And right now, Substack is the only place that you can gain such kind of organic discoverability that fast, in a matter of months. Usually on social media, you have to stay consistent for, I don't know, at least a year to be able to build huge following, and then the other problem comes how to convert those followers into subscribers, and then they become basically cold subscribers, so you have to warm them up, and then you have to work with them in order before you can sell. And the highest conversion rate I have seen from social media is about 3%. It's 1-3%, not more. On Substack, it's 5%. And it can grow to 10%. And I have seen Substacks with 18% and 20% conversion rate. It's just a different mentality. The community has a different culture on Substack. It's a community from people who buy much faster, and you don't really need that much effort to put into convincing them to buy from you. So it's a unique opportunity you don't want to miss. You have to be on Substack, and you have to be on Substack Notes.